Two top-tier online learning platforms. One burning question. Which one truly stands out for creators and learners in 2025? On the left, LearnWorlds, the academy builder for interactive, branded teaching. And on the right, LinkedIn Learning, your gateway to expert-led video courses for professional growth. Let's skip the marketing lingo and see how they actually perform. Each round, we score points, and at the finish, you'll see exactly who comes out ahead. The winner might just surprise you. Let me walk you through the categories we're using to size up these platforms. Picture this mind map. Pricing, because obviously you want to know what you're spending. Features, that's where all the cool stuff happens. Use case, so you're clear if it actually fits you. Content quality, because the value honestly depends on it. Integration and ecosystem, how does it play with other tools or your workflow? Support and community, yep, you need help sometimes. That's what we'll unpack today. Okay, first up, pricing. So, LearnWorlds throws in a 30-day free trial, which is honestly super nice if you just want to test the waters. They've got plans for solo creators all the way up to big companies. But heads up, the fancy features get expensive. And if you're on the lowest plan, there's even a transaction fee. Oof. Meanwhile, LinkedIn Learning? Well, what's cool is if you've already got LinkedIn Premium, you get access. And companies can set up subscriptions for their teams. Not so sweet, though. There's no totally free option for individuals, and they're really all about annual billing, especially for the bigger clients. So yeah, between these two, LinkedIn Learning definitely comes out ahead on value for most folks. Now, features. This is where things get really fun. LearnWorlds is honestly kind of next level here. You've got an interactive video builder, quizzes, clickable stuff, and a course player that literally looks like Netflix. There's even AI-powered tools to help authors, plus built-in community, tests, certificates, and if you're all about your brand, you can white label everything. But prepare yourself. It can feel a bit overwhelming if you're just starting out, and it doesn't have a bunch of ready-made funnels for marketing. LinkedIn Learning, on the other hand, is like a content buffet. 13,000 plus courses, personalized recommendations, industry experts teaching you, but it's consumption only. You're not building your own courses here, and the customizations, yeah, kind of limited. So if you're after powerful features, LearnWorlds definitely wins this round. Next, use case. LearnWorlds is perfect if you're a course creator, coach, or want to do corporate training, or maybe sell courses, or even deliver employee or customer training. I mean, all the tools are baked in for teaching and selling. Not gonna lie though, if you only want to sell a simple online course, it might feel like overkill. On the flip side, LinkedIn Learning shines for professionals trying to level up their business or creative skills, or work on that career growth. Corporates use it for employee upskilling all the time, but kinda important, if you want to host your own courses, this isn't the place. So in terms of flexibility for creators, it's a win for LearnWorlds. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know that LinkedIn Learning actually used to be called lynda.com? Yep, it was acquired way back in 2015 and rebranded. And now it's kind of a global hub for professional learning. Just a fun bit of history if you're into that stuff. All right, let's talk content quality. With LearnWorlds, you're in control. So course creators get to set the quality, the format, and there are all these advanced engagement features. But let's be honest, how good it is really comes down to who's teaching. LinkedIn Learning totally steps up here. Everything's vetted by LinkedIn's own content team, and the instructors are actual industry experts with real-world know-how. The downside? Mostly video lectures. You don't get as much interactivity. Still, if you want guaranteed, solid content, LinkedIn Learning wins here hands down. All right, moving on. Integration and ecosystem. So, LearnWorlds has a bunch of direct integrations, like video calls, analytics, payments, to keep things running smoothly. But the ecosystem's not crazy huge. You know, it's not LinkedIn scale or anything. LinkedIn Learning, though, it just slides right into your LinkedIn profile. So your learning history and skills are part of your professional persona. Skill endorsements, records, they're all baked in. It doesn't play as deeply with other third-party course tools. But honestly, as an ecosystem, LinkedIn Learning is the clear winner for 2025. Last, Support and community. So LearnWorlds actually gets pretty high marks for customer support, and it's got built-in features so learners can connect, build community, and work together. The only catch is, it's nowhere near as massive as LinkedIn's entire user base. LinkedIn Learning has the huge professional network, but when it comes to direct support or those close-knit social learning vibes, not so much. Mostly a help center and not a whole lot of options for group interactions. So for actual user support and tight-knit communities, LearnWorlds takes this category. All right, quick recap on the radar chart. So, LinkedIn Learning pulls ahead on pricing, content quality, and integration. But LearnWorlds dominates features, use case, and support and community. Different strengths, right? So, here's my honest take. If you want to build, design, and brand your own interactive academy, maybe you're a trainer, educator, or running your own organization, LearnWorlds is totally the way to go. But if you're after top-tier, expert-led video courses for leveling up in your career or business, you just can't beat LinkedIn Learning for sheer content and global reach. Need help picking your perfect platform? Seriously, just ask. I'm here if you want a personalized recommendation, anytime.